Hello, this is Marc Jacobi with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Westport, Connecticut, and welcome to my new listing at 16 Rockmeadow Road, Unit Q in Norwalk, Connecticut. One of two balconies out here. Kitchen with nice GE appliances. Laundry there in the unit, very nice to have. Up above you have the attic. Lots of storage space. Very, very handy to have. The bathroom. And now, the bedroom. Nice big closet with storage. Another closet there. And then we go outside to the other balcony. In the spring, fall, and summer, this is a lovely place to relax. It's full green. It's very nice. Now we'll go into the storage area. Watch your step. Here is the water heater and air handling unit and boiler for the apartment Q. And here is it is 13 by 7. And it has central vacuum.